हेलो हेलो दोस्तों, क्या हाल है। आरडी स्पोर्ट्स पहुंचा आज भुवनेश्वर में, जहां पे इंटर स्टेट्स चालू हो चुके हैं, विच आर द नेशनल चैम्पियनशिप्स ऑफ इंडिया इन एथलेटिक्स। ओके, सो आज हम यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं। अगर आपको याद होगा तो ये कारवा भुवनेश्वर से ही चालू हुआ था, जब हमने यहाँ पे नेशनल इंडोर चैम्पियनशिप्स को कवर किया था लाइक मार्च में, राइट। और तब से काफ़ी टाइम आगे बढ़ चुका है। काफ़ी सारे इवेंट्स हमने इस व्लॉग फॉर्मेट में कवर किए हैं और आपका प्यार काफ़ी अच्छे रूप से हमें मिल रहा है, एंड उससे हमें काफ़ी प्रोत्साहन भी मिल रहा है आगे बढ़ने के लिए, ये चीज़ें आपके लिए और लाने के लिए। आज है डे 2 इंटर स्टेट्स का, और आज बहुत सारे स्पेशल इवेंट्स होने वाले हैं, जिसमें हम अनिमेश कुजूर को देखेंगे 200 मीटर में, ज्योति आराजी को देखेंगे 200 मीटर में, तेजस कृषिक मेंस 110 मीटर हर्डल्स में रहेंगे, और बाकी फील्ड इवेंट्स में, और बाय द वे 800 मीटर्स मेन एंड वीमेन के इवेंट्स भी होंगे, तो उनके फाइनल है। तो मोहम्मद अफजल, कृष्ण कुमार और ये उसमें रहेंगे। और जहाँ तक बात रही वुमेन्स 800 में, उसमें लिली दास है, उसमें पूजा है। तो ये सब एथलीट्स आज हमारे को यहाँ पे दिखेंगे पार्टिसिपेट करते हुए और अपनी दावेदारी पेश करते हुए एशियन गेम्स के लिए। और जहाँ तक बात रही फील्ड इवेंट में, तो वहाँ पे आज हमारा पोल वॉल्ट वुमेन्स, राइट, और शॉर्टपुट विमेन, जिसमें कृष्णा जयशंकर है और मनप्रीत कौर है, शिक्षा है, ये सब मतलब कि टॉप एलीट एथलीट्स है भारत के उस डिसिप्लिन में। पोल वॉल्ट में आपको पता होगा बिरानी कालाउंगवन जो नेशनल रिकॉर्ड होल्डर है वो यहाँ पे रहेंगी। नीतिका जो है वो सेम ट्रेनिंग सेंटर में जहाँ पे ट्रेन करती है, जहाँ पे देव मीना और कुलदीप कुमार है, वो भी यहाँ रहेंगी। सो ये सब यहाँ पे आज रहने वाले हैं, और एक्साइटमेंट से भरा रहने वाला है आज का दिन। तो आप जुड़े रहिए और आगे वीडियो देखते रहिए, ठीक है। और आप देखना आज हम कैसे इसको कवर करते हैं, है ना, ठीक है। बाय द वे, आज हम डे 2 से ये चालू कर रहे हैं हमारा जो कवरेज है। डे 1 में भी काफ़ी सही सही हमने इवेंट्स देखे, और हमने एक 18 साल की अनुष्का यादव को वुमेन्स हैमर थ्रो में नेशनल रिकॉर्ड करते हुए देखा। देव मीना जो काफ़ी यंग है, उनने भी नेशनल रिकॉर्ड क्रिएट किया पोल वॉल्ट में। ज्योति आराजी ने कम बैक पे 12.99 सेकेंड्स करके एशियन गेम्स का टिकट भी बुक किया, और वो सब 13 भी गई आफ्टर एन इंजरी, विच इज़ कमेंडेबल। और बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे परफॉर्मेंस हमें डे 1 पे दिखे थे। सो अभी हम डे 2 देखते हैं क्या हमारे लिए व्हाट इज इन स्टोर फॉर अस इन डे 2। तो ये सारी चीज़ें हम देख के आपको बताएंगे और अपडेट करते रहेंगे। बाय द वे, जहाँ तक बात रही कलिंगा स्टेडियम की, ये एक बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त फैसिलिटी है। यहाँ पे ये शायद इंडिया की वन ऑफ द टॉप फैसिलिटीज़ फॉर एथलेटिक्स है। और अगर मैं इसका आपको बर्ड्स आई व्यू दिखाऊं तो आप खुद ही देख सकते हैं कितना वेल मेंटेन्ड स्टेडियम है। एक से मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ। तो ये स्टैंड्स हैं यहाँ पे होम स्ट्रेट के अपोजिट वाले एंड पे। आप देख सकते हो अभी डिकैथलॉन, जो मेंस डिकैथलॉन है, उसमें जैवलिन थ्रो जो कि 9th इवेंट है। बाय द एंड ऑफ 8 इवेंट्स जो हैं अभी तौफीक ही लीड कर रहे हैं, जो ऑलरेडी एशियन गेम्स के लिए क्वालिफाई कर चुके हैं फ्रॉम फेडरेशन कप, राइट। और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं ये कितना ज़बरदस्त, कितनी ब्यूटीफुल फैसिलिटी है। हर एक सीट जो है वेरी वेल मेंटेन्ड। और तभी यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं टॉप बिल्ड इवेंट्स जो होते हैं इंडिया के, जितने भी टॉप बिल्ड इवेंट्स है वो यहाँ पे होता है। जैसे कॉन्टिनेंटल टूर जो है वो भी यहीं पे होगा। और अभी आप देख रहे हैं नेशनल इंटर स्टेट्स, जो कि इंडिया के डोमेस्टिक टॉप कंपटीशन है, सबसे बड़ी सबसे बेस्ट कंपटीशन है, तो वो भी यहीं पे हो रहा है। सो हाँ, इट डिजर्व्स दिस प्लेस। हालांकि यहाँ पे गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा है, वो तो बताना ही चाहिए, बट हाँ, ऐसे देखें आप तो ये फैसिलिटी बहुत वर्ल्ड क्लास लेवल पे ही आएगी। So these are the results of the first heat of women's 200. Jyoti Araji has reached second. Prakriti of Karnataka, who had clocked a very decent time, very good time instead in the state meet as well, has done 23.7. It's still conditions, you can see 0.0 wind. Yeah. So 23.70 is the Asian Games qualification mark. I think it shouldn't be a challenge for at least 4 or 5 of them, half a dozen of them in the finals, which is slated for the later tonight, later in the evening. You can see the heat number 2 of women's 200 is getting underway. This one features Kiran Pahal, the Olympian from 2024, and Unnati Bolanda as well. And Unnati is in lane 6, and I think Kiran is in lane 5. And let's see how this one goes. 2370, the Asian Games qualification mark. I think Unnati should take it. Here is lane. Is he 2? Yeah, Unnati has taken a good start. Yeah, she has already filled up the stagger on lane number Yeah, she's leading the pack right now. Will she go for the Asian Games mark or conserve some energy in the final for the finals? Yeah, 23-61. That means she has qualified for the Asian Games. It seems it must be around 23-67, 23-68 because she slowed down in the end. Let's see what the final time is. 23-65. Unnati, as I predicted, has got it. Win again, still no win at all. Kiran 23-90. So yeah, on cue, right on cue this heat. So now lane number, rather heat number 3. Why I'm calling lane number always? Okay, so heat number 3 in the women's 200, the final heat, and we have Harita Vadra, the 60-meter national champion from like 2 or 3 months back. V Sudiksha from Karnataka. Karnataka girls have literally spewed fire on the track today, and we are expecting to see at least two Karnataka girls on the podium. Prakriti did well in the first heat, and Unnati clocked a strong 23.65 in the second heat. And then we have V Sudiksha in this one, and let's see how she fares. And MV Jilna, the veteran, is also here in this heat. The heat number 3 in women's 200 is underway. Again, a very good start from lane number 5. It is. Yeah, V Sudiksha Jilna, I think, has taken the lead. Now Harita is coming up, and I think Harita will probably get it pretty easily. She'll stop, and 23.51 on the flash. I don't know if this flash is correct because she was literally jogging in the end. Let's see what the real final time is. Harita has also qualified for the Asian Games. She has emerged as the favorite to win this title here. So Diksha 24-34, not following the footsteps of her colleagues from Karnataka, that is Prakriti and Unnati Bolanda. Jilna, the veteran in this field at least, is second, 23.82 seconds. So she makes it directly to the finals. Hey, here she is, the national indoor champion in 60 meters, showing the board for the qualification of Asian Games. She is probably going to Aichi Nagoya if she keeps a form like this. So the men's 200-meter first heat is underway now. Only Animesh is the one who might come near to the AG Asian Games qualification mark here. Rest others are probably will be looking to get inspired from Animesh here. Let's see how this one fares. Heat 1, 20.88, the Asian Games qualification mark. Animesh is behind the pole vault scoreboard there. Now he comes through. He has already made a stagger. He walk करके भी जीत सकते हैं Animesh, by the way. Here he comes. Beautiful bend. Literally jogging his way through. He has already stopped. He's in gear second or in gear one. 2085, it might be more than 2088. But again, he will be qualifying for the Asians in the finals definitely. His 2087, he has indeed qualified for the Asian Games. Again, zero win, no win at all. And Rajat Raj 2144 will be making it to the final. Mukul Anand will have to wait and see if he's the fastest non-automatic qualifier. Here he is with the board. Yeah, in his trademark style. Expected an easy race for Animesh here, and he has qualified for the Asian Games. It was never a doubt here with 20.8 being the qualification mark. Will he break the national record in the finals is a question जो हम सब देखना चाहेंगे अभी या फिर वो कर सकते हैं because the track is very fast and he actually literally like he was jogging even not he was not even jogging he was walking fastly that's what he was doing so मुझे नहीं लगता कोई doubt कि he will clock a very fast time will it be faster than the national record that he holds already देखना पड़ेगा देखते हैं मजा आएगा अगली हीट में जिष्णु प्रसाद रहेंगे और रघुल कुमार रहेंगे so it's going to be a tight heat heat number 2 but yeah two go through the final so these two should be the ones who will be making it to the finals जिष्णु is in a rich vein of form in this season तो जिष्णु से उम्मीद हम कर सकते हैं कि वो qualify करें for the Asian Games and even he can probably clock a faster time than Animesh here to just set some cat amongst the pigeons there, है ना? देखते हैं कैसा रहेगा. Okay, so the men's heat 2 and heat 3 of 200 meters are done. Jishnu and Ragul qualified in the heat 2, and Dondapati was the first place finish in the heat number 3. This is heat number 1 of men's 110-meter hurdles. Tejas and Madhavendra go in this heat. The finals are slated for tomorrow, but let's see how Tejas performs here. He has recently qualified for the CWG by breaking the national record, his own national record, 13 point. No, he has taken it down to 13.27. Here's the start of this heat. Yeah, he has taken a good lead here. He will be slowing down. One is expecting. Tejas should say who is well ahead of the other athletes. Pretty easy for Tejas. Comfortable sailing on through. 13:37 on the flash. Beautiful. Here you see Tejas. He'll be very happy with this performance in the heat. He actually did slow down in the end, and 13:43. What a beautiful time by Tejas. क्या बात है, क्या बात है Tejas. Well done, Sher. 13.43. Here he is. The target is at 13. Yeah. It was easy for him. It was very easy for him. Heat number 2 is up here, 13:43 for Tejas in the first heat. Krishik is in this one. Will be the favorite. Here he is. He is going very fast. Manav and Krishik. This is Manav and Krishik. Oh wow, what a beautiful, beautiful race by Manav here. It must be a personal best, yeah? If it is not, then what's the flash by the way? 13:63. Yeah, Manav has beaten Krishik here. By the looks of it, Manav had beaten Krishik. Yeah. Let's see what the time is. Manav has indeed beaten Krishik here. 13:66 and 13:69. Beautiful by Manav. I have to check if it's a personal best or not. What a great race by Manav. At the far end, you can see Baranika going for the Asian Games qualification over 4 meters, 10 centimeters. And she gets it. She has qualified for the Asian Games. Here as well. The national record holder sails over the 4.10 meter mark in the women's pole vault. Goes to the lead. She's already consolidates the lead rather. Sindhu Shri of Karnataka going for 4 meters, 10 centimeters. Her first time now. It's a failure. Krishna Jayashankar has 16.24 meters on her first attempt. She moves to the lead. I think Manpreet Kaur will be taking her first attempt now. Here she probably is correct. Yeah, that is Manpreet. Let's see what Manpreet has got in this one. 15.72. She is in the second place right now. Krishna's first attempt was just 1 centimeter shy of the Asian Games qualification mark of 16.25. She'll get it hopefully in this one. Yeah. Anika has just cleared 4:15 as well. Nikita has missed her 4:15, but I think she has cleared 4:10. So she's probably going to the Asian Games and she's going for a second attempt. The women's 800 meter has also the girls are on the track and अभी देखते हैं कौन लेगा लिली दास या पूजा. I think Pooja should be the favorite for this one. 2:05:21 shouldn't be a very difficult task for the Asian Games qualification. देखते हैं यहाँ से कौन कौन qualify करता है Asian Games में. So Nikita has also missed her second attempt now. So I think if she doesn't go for the third attempt or misses her third attempt, then probably Baranika will be going for another national record. And here you can see women's 800 girls are on the starting line. Okay, you can see all of them over here. Right, Pooja is there. And did I miss Lily? I think Lily was, yeah, Lily is there in lane 6. Okay. So I think it should be between the two of these girls, unless obviously otherwise there is a huge upset or huge personal record with someone else. Let's see. Krishna Jayashankar 1696 has qualified for the Asian Games for sure now. And the women's 800 also is there. They have reached the 200-meter mark. They are on course to reach the 200-meter mark. Pooja is taking a lead there, closely followed by Lily, if I'm not wrong. And actually, Sindhushri has got 415. Man, Karnataka girls are actually sprint fire in Bhubaneswar. Here we are at the 300-meter mark. Pooja leading. And yeah, they are playing it tactical by the looks of it. Let's see what the flash is at 400. 802. Okay, it's 100. Let's catch them back on the final home stretch. There they are on the home stretch. Pooja is leading, closely followed by Lily. Has Lily got the kick in her? Gautami is coming. Gautami is creating a bit of an upset over here. Will Gautami take it? I think Gautami is going to take it. It is an upset. It is an upset, and Pooja will qualify for Asian Games. Lily misses out. 20412. I think the top two have definitely qualified for the Asian Games. The Gautami of Tamil Nadu has taken the win over here. Here is the final time. Gautami and Pooja. Gautami has made a bit of an upset over here. Well done, Gautami. Gautami Jayaraman. Okay, Nitika has missed on her final attempt at 415. The bar is getting moved to 420 now. There they are, Gautami and Pooja. That's what they say. These events can make new starts, and Gautami is one of them. Now you can see Baranika here going for 420. Another Tamil Nadu girl. She is looking good to win gold in pole vault as well. Now men's 800. These are two guys who will be like fighting for it. Krishan Kumar and Mohammad Afzal, the two favorites for this race. Manpreet Kaur chasing Krishna here. Okay, that's close to 70-meter mark by the looks of it. Has she taken the lead? Oh, that's very close, 1689, but she also qualified for the Asian Games. Well done, Manpreet. She has already qualified for the Commonwealth Games, courtesy of a brilliant performance in Ludhiana, and she has now made her mark. Presence felt here as well in Bhubaneswar, 1699. The men's 800 fire, they passed the 200-meter mark at 27. They are going quick. Entering into the home stage. What a fantastic lineup. Great demonstration of the speed is there. The speed is there. 274. Prathamesh is leading now. That is going to be a fabulous. What is the flash? Look at the move. 54. Going shoulder to shoulder. Okay. So it has to be a faster second half by the looks of it. This is going to be an astonishing race. No one has actually made a move till now. It is tactical. It started out very fast, but it's getting very tactical. 2-3-1. Afzal has taken his broadest kick now. Still leading. Afzal and Krishan. Asian Games silver medalist, Asian Championship silver medalist. And Krishan and Afzal. Oh, the flash is very slow here. The qualification mark for AG has been met, but it was very slow for one's liking. I was expecting some fireworks. But Afzal has got it. You can see Afzal got it. Krishan missed out on the qualification mark, but he has finished second. So you are through. Yeah, Afzal is through. Oh, I think it's a national record. Oh, Sindhushri has got a national record in pole vault. What an upset. I mean, now Baranika needs to get it to move into the lead. Sindhushri has caused an upset here. Unne beat kar liya Baranika ko. That is a big, huge upset. And she has broken the national record as well. She's going for the Asian Games as well. Great achievement for Sindhushri. Incredible achievement for the Karnataka girl. Karnataka girls are really in form here in Bhubaneswar. Let's see क्या होता है यहाँ पे आगे जाके. And with me we have Santosh sir. Santosh sir,
Yeah.
how are you? Can you say hi to our all the
Yeah.
viewers?
Oh, yeah. Hi. Hi, everybody.
He is working in Jagannath Express.
Yeah.
That is न्यूज़पेपर जो यहाँ से भुवनेश्वर से बेस्ड आउट है. कैसा लग रहा है आपको यहाँ पे सारी फैसिलिटी और सब कुछ
Very
देख
nice.
के?
Very nice.
है ना?
Everything is nice.
एंड
आपको भी कैसे लग रहा
मेरे
है?
को तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मैं दूसरी बार ही भुवनेश्वर आ रहा हूँ एंड ये फैसिलिटी मेरे को बहुत अच्छी लगती है, बहुत प्यारी लगती
पहला
है.
बार कब
मैं
आया?
नेशनल इंडोर्स में आया था यहाँ पे.
नेशनल इंडोर में आया.
हाँ.
Very nice.
ठीक है, अभी देखते हैं बाकी अपसेट हो रहे हैं, अपसेट पे अपसेट हो रहे हैं.
हाँ.
देखते हैं आगे जाके कौन कौन एशियन गेम्स में क्वालिफाई करेगा.
Qualify करता है.
लंबी लिस्ट होने वाली है.
अच्छा, इसमें जम्मू कश्मीर का कोई है क्या? नहीं.
नहीं, इसमें नहीं होगा. अभी एक दो जूनियर एथलीट्स है जो आ रहे हैं और देखते हैं जम्मू कश्मीर का भी कोई ना कोई होपफुली आएगा.
सीनियर में कोई नहीं है.
सीनियर में नहीं है, जूनियर में एक लड़का है जिसने 100 में अभी सिल्वर लाया था यहाँ पे कर्नाटक में हुआ था.
कर्नाटक में.
हाँ, तो वहां पे लाया था. पर एथलेटिक्स में नहीं. हम मोस्टली मार्शल आर्ट्स में जम्मू के लड़के और लड़के अच्छा करते हैं. और पैरा स्पोर्ट्स में आपको अगर मालूम हो, शीतल देवी आपने सुना है नाम?
शीतल देवी.
हाँ, वो भी जम्मू से आती है.
जम्मू वाला थोड़ा ज्यादा ट्राई कर रहा है.
हाँ, अभी कर रहे हैं, आजकल हो रहा है. देखते
बिग स्टेडियम जम्मू.
नहीं, नॉट अ बिग स्टेडियम. तो फैसिलिटीज आर ग्रोइंग बट दे आर नॉट ग्रोइंग at a very good speed. So but yeah, looking at Bhubaneswar and Odisha's facilities, Odisha ने तो actually में it has become the sports capital of India, if I have to say, है ना? And that is a very proud moment for any Odia person over here, है ना? Yeah. Yeah. Srishti Viz also has thrown 16.96, but I don't know why the board is showing third against a name. That's strange. Seems like I have missed something. Taufeeq is going to get a massive percentage here. Kushal is coming with it. But it is. I think he must be very close to the qualification mark of Asian Games. Taufeeq, and let me confirm it for you. Taufeeq probably has qualified for the Asian Games. He did brilliant personal best in 1500 meters. I think a personal best of almost 15 to 16 seconds there. Okay, yeah. So it will be 7 to 7.5 points for Taufeeq, and it will be Asian Games ticket. He seals that ticket once again. He had qualified for the Asian Games itself at the Federation Cup, but he kind of उस मोहर पे उन्होंने एक और स्टैंप लगा दी है. So brilliant performance by Taufeeq. Manpreet Kaur won the women's shot put 17.75 meters, and that's brilliant by her. Brilliant performance. Krishna and Srishti both did 16.96. Incredible performance. Other athletes, you can see Jashveer there. Kushal is also there. Yeah, all of them have taken off their vests. They are all drenched in sweat. You can see all those biscuits on them. देखते हैं भाई. I think but incredible performance by Taufeeq to qualify. I don't know if Kushal has qualified as well, but yeah, Taufeeq's total will be around 7 to 7.5. So yeah, he must be there in the Asian Games definitely. In fact, Kushal also has qualified for the Asian Games. You can see over here. But yeah, I think if there are two per event, then probably Tejaswin might be given an award over here. So, but yeah, many congratulations to both of them. It will be a personal best for Kushal as well. Brilliant performance in these testing conditions there. Well done. The final events of the day, that is the women's and men's 200 meter, are going to start anytime soon now. Harita Badra, Unnati Bolanda, then we have Julna MV, Kiran Pahal, Sudiksha. All of them are quite good, and probably it will be a very tight fight. But by the looks of what happened in the heats, I think Harita should take it, and Bhubaneswar will prove to be a happy hunting ground for her after the exploits she did in the indoor season as well, indoor meet rather as well. Abhi, I think it's going to start in another 2 to 3 minutes. अभी मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ जैसे वो स्टार्ट होता है कि नहीं. There they go, the women's 200 meter.
Well, the athletes in lane 3 and lane 4 they are coming up.
And it is Harita versus Unnati. Harita is leading now. She has taken a healthy lead. Whoa! She has done it. 21.89. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. Let's wait, let's wait, let's wait. This is wrong. This is for sure wrong. This cannot be possible. So I think I'm pretty sure that this is not going to happen. This is close to the world marks. So yeah, 23:14 for Ida. But a great time. What a beautiful time. Great time. 23:14. There she is. 23:14 and 23:14 for brilliant. Into a headwind. Great, great times. So yeah, multiple qualifiers, Prakriti, everyone did a brilliant performance. And now for the race of the evening, men's 200 meter. Animesh has just gone on to his blocks. अभी देखते हैं कैसा रहेगा. It is going to be one heck of a race. I'm expecting a huge race here. A great time as well. Harita did brilliant in the women's 200. This proves that this track is very fast. The winds are not helping the athletes, but still the athletes are producing some great times. It was a headwind for the women's 200 meter as well. I think a slight headwind, but it was a headwind nonetheless. तो देखते हैं अभी अगर थोड़ी सी भी फेवरेबल विंड होती है वैसे उसको फेवरेबल विंड की जरूरत नहीं है अनिमेश को आई थिंक ही विल बी डूइंग अ ग्रेट टाइम टुडे दे आर फॉर द फाइनल्स ऑफ 200 meter men I am expecting a sub 20.4 here from Animesh. Oh, it's a false start. nahi yaar again I'm getting those deja vu from the first vlog that we had done here at the national indoors. There were like false start galore rather. It was just a glitch. Green card being shown. अभी देखते हैं क्या होता है यार. Please get it right. Second time right, please. No more fuss about it. And here we go. Animesh is firing on the bench. He has made up the Sagar. He is leading the pack. Here he comes. Here he comes. Gandapati following him, but Animesh has got it. Oh no, it's a very slow race. It's a very slow race. It's slowish, very slow. Slash aside, I'm not very happy with the time. I was expecting a much faster time because the track is very fast. But let's see. 20.74. 20.74, 20.97. Subpar, I would say. The wind minus 1.8. Oh, okay. So that actually was the clincher here. The wind, a massive headwind there. But still, Animesh managed to qualify. यारो डे 2 ऑफ इंटर स्टेट्स को हम यहीं पे रैप करते हैं. ठीक दिन था, अच्छा दिन था, काफी अच्छे परफॉर्मेंस दिखे. हरिता बद्रा ब्रिलियंट परफॉर्मेंस. मनप्रीत कौर अगेन ग्रेट. एंड पोल वॉल्ट में फिर से नेशनल रिकॉर्ड आ गया. सिंधुश्री इनक्रेडिबल. आई मीन बहुत अच्छे अच्छे परफॉर्मेंस आ रहे हैं. Yeah, it's about time. And by the way, they just in the heat was literally a phenomenon. So अच्छा दिन था इंडियन एथलेटिक्स के लिए अगेन. बहुत सारे एशियन गेम्स के लिए क्वालिफाई हुए. अफजल हुए, कृष्ण कुमार हुए. कृष्ण कुमार शायद नहीं हुए, बट हाँ तौफीक डेफिनेटली हुए. तो या some good performances. Pooja and a good performance from Gautami in 800. मजा आ गया. बट यहाँ से मेरे को पूरा भरोसा है कि अब यहाँ से ग्राफ ऊपर ही जाएगा सारे परफॉर्मेंसेस का. तो जस्ट स्टे ट्यून्ड, स्टे हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए. और इस ये पार्ट आपको व्लॉग कैसा लगा मेरे को बताना. लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कमेंट सब करना है. टेक केयर, टाटा, बाय.